Welcome to the Creator Series, a playlist on YouTube of highly tactical video trainings designed to help you further your skills and speed up your processes as a video creator. In today's training, I'm going to be showing you how to burn captions onto your video. And to burn captions on means to permanently attach them so that you cannot remove them. And burning captions has a ton of advantages for you as a video creator. It means you don't have to add and edit captions all the time, which can be a miserable process, but it also means that you can change the font, you can change the color, and you can change the style of the captions that you're burning on. And I'm going to show you a brand new software that you are going to love that makes captions so easy and more affordable than anywhere else online. Let's get started with the training right now. I'm Owen Video. Today I'm going to show you a trick for how to burn captions onto your video without having to get the caption file and without having to go back into your editing software to edit them. In order to do this, you first need your final edited video. This is important because if you make any changes to your video after you burn your captions, it's going to change your transcript. Now let's add the captions, but what I'm about to show you is comprehensive, so stick around so I can show you how all of this works. Just go to quick.io and set up a free account and upload your video, and immediately Quick will begin to read your video. This might take a minute or two, okay? After your video is processed, you'll see this blue button that says ready to edit. So just click that and bam, you have a full transcript right here on the right hand side of the screen. You can fix any grammar mistakes or tweak the timing or adjust any of the words that you want to have so that your captions come out just perfect. Now on the left hand side is a preview of how those captions look on top of your video with this little video player, so you can be live editing and seeing the changes take place as they happen. Now down here on the bottom left, if you click that teal button with the double A on it, it'll actually open up the editing capabilities, and you can customize the size, the shape, and the font of your captions. Over here, you can see you can change the font, and you can make that look really cool. You can check out any font that you want to use here is basically here. You can also adjust if you want these to appear on the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen, and you can add padding. So they don't have to be on the very bottom or the very top. They could actually come down towards the middle or show up in anywhere else that you would want them to appear. Down here, you can see that you can add a background to these, or you can add an outline like a stroke. So you can also adjust how thick or how wide that background is and really just get the look and the feel that you really want to get. Now, take some time here and really make them look great. And you can even pick colors and backgrounds that contrast the look of your video so that your captions look different than all the other captions that are out there. Once you've got your transcripts and you've added the captions, you can click this teal button down here that says Finalize Video. Now, once you do that, that's when you actually burn the captions onto the file. Okay, and this is semi-permanent. This is something that I want you to see, okay? Once you finally burn those captions and you finalize the video, you're gonna go to the video download page that looks like this. And notice here that you've got these three little dots over here. Click those three little dots, and you got a couple different features here. Number one is you can download the SRT file. Okay, so you can take the SRT file and you can use this elsewhere on the web. But you can also re-edit the file here. So look, let's say that you were editing late night and you were using the software, but you had one too many beers. You made some beer mistakes. It's happened to all of us, folks. Well, you can go back in and re-edit those captions for free, and it won't cost you any additional money. You can do that up to 3 times, and it won't affect your free trial, and it won't affect your paid account. It's just a great feature that the Quick software offers because we know you're going to make mistakes. It's going to happen. And so we want to make sure that you have an ability to do that, okay? So bam! Here's another great feature about burning your captions with Quick is that Quick allows you to upload any size video, whether it's a square video, widescreen video, a vertical video, or even one of those weird 4:5 videos that all the kids are raving about these days. Woohoo! Right? I love it. So now you can see how easy and fast it is to burn captions right into your video with Quick, saving you time and saving you money while giving you this advanced customized caption editing interface that'll make your videos look better than everyone else's. But hey, there is so much more that you can do with your captions, and if you want to continue the journey and become a caption master, then click on this video right here. This will show you even more advanced editing tricks and marketing tricks to make your captions stand out so that your video gets the clicks, gets the views, and makes the sales that you want to do with your video. So click on this video right here. I'll see you there. I'm Owen Video for Quick, and we'll see you in the next video.